Taranipan Suba Lok Sabha Meekhal ki matam ngasi Election Commission of India ECI na laothokhibaga loinana Manipur gi Oina Meekhal asi phase ani Thokna April 18 amadi April 16 ta Pangthoklagani Hauzik lamdam asida thokliba irang asina maram oiraga lanjena duna leiriba sing akhanaba thausilama gi makhada vote thadahangani haina Manipur gi Chief Electoral Officer Pradeep Kumar Jana phongdoroklei ECI na ngasi Taranipan Suba Lok Sabha Meekhal gi matam laothokhibaga mari lenana ngasi lamfel pat leiba Manipur gi Chief Electoral Officer ki office ki conference hall pangthokpa paugi mifam amada Manipur gi Chief Electoral Officer Pradeep Kumar Jana hai State asigi oina Taranipan Suba Lok Sabha gi Meekhal phase ani thokna April 18 namade April 16 ta pangthoklagani Ahanba phase ki April 18 da pangthokadaba Meekhal asida Inner Manipur Parliamentary Constituency ki manung chanba Assembly Constituency khakta natana Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency ki manung chaliba Thoubal District ki AC ahum Kaching District ki AC mari Churachandpur District ki manung da leiriba AC pumnamak Kangpokpi AC da leiriba AC pumnamak amade Chandel AC da Meekhal pangthokane Ani suba phase ki April 16 ta pangthokadariba Meekhal asidana lemhauriba Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency ki manung chanba AC sing da pangthokane State asigi oina Meekhal asi ahanba phase amadi ani suba phase ki notification March 10 da thokane nomination pisin bagi aroiba numitna phase anima ki oina March 13 ne aduga security na March 19 da pangthokane napigane scrutiny na March 19 da pangthokane mirep laothokpagi aroiba numitna March 19 da oigane Meekhal asigi vote thibana June 3 da pangthoklaga Meekhal gi process lotion bana June 3 fawgi manung da oigane chai asigi January 22 da pangthokkiba state asigi AC humfu gi final electoral roll gi matung ina Meekhal asida nupa voter lakh mapan lising marifu Chanipan ga yangkhai manga nupi voter lakh tara lising nifu mapan chamapan kun mapan transgender voter chaniga kuntra mapan namade PWD voter lising taramare chamaga yangkhai ni thoina polling station lising ani chamapan yangkhai manga da vote thadagane Meekhal asigi dama critical oiba polling station lising ama yangkhai nipan khandokle Meekhal asi kanglon chumna made Meekhal asida pamdaba thodok sing thoktanaba tongan ba thorang kaya paikhatnaba sem saba loire loinana Meekhal asida paramilitary force company chanirom sizinagane Taranipan Suba Lok Sabha Meekhal gi matam ngasi ECI na laothokhibaga loinana khudaktage model code of conduct chanaba haure code of conduct asi mari leinaba singna mapung fana election gi process loijiba fawba induna chatkadabane handaki Meekhal asida state asigi oina top topa thorang ama paikhatuna relief camp ta leiba sing bot thadaba yanaba thorang paikhatle Thorang asigi matung ina mayum makai thadoktuna leiriba singna hauzik leiriba mafam singda bot thadaba yanaba akhanaba polling station sing hangdokane Thausila se mapung fana pangthokpa yanaba mari leinaba singna akan mongda honare Meekhal asi mapung fana kanglon chumna pangthoknaba namakna honaminasi hainasu makna makhata ke
A person is displaced from one district and staying in a relief camp in another district. So in that district, for a group of relief camps, one special polling station is going to be set up and the person will be allowed to vote at that place. So that choice we will be taking from that elector through one ID form, internally displaced form, ID form, which is going to be circulated. And in that we will provide the information to the voter that these are the polling stations which have been designated. So for a group of relief camp A, B, C, D in Imphal East district, let us say A, relief camp A, relief camp B, relief camp C, relief camp D. For those 4 camps, we are also considering the distance factor so that the voter does not have to travel for a long distance. One polling station will be, a special polling station will be notified. At the same time, there are certain people who are displaced but not staying in the relief camps. They are staying with their friends, relatives, or they have houses of their own. So they may also exercise this option by choosing from one of the special polling stations that we are going to notify. We are going to identify assistant returning officer in all these 10 districts in respect of the 2 parliamentary constituencies, and the voting will be happening in the district where the relief camp is. And the voting will be happening through EVM, and counting will also happen in the same district where the relief camp is, and the result of the counting will be communicated to the concerned RO of inner or outer parliamentary constituency.